Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix battery percentage not showing on your HUAWEI Nova 14 Pro. So first, not having battery percentage is not normal. So what we're going to do first is restart the device to reset the battery sensor. We're going to hold the power button for at least 3 seconds. Now, we're going to press restart and tap again to restart the device. Now it's restarting, and I'll see you guys in a second once the device restarts. Now after the restart, let's quickly enter the password. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over to settings and make sure that my battery percentage is enabled. You need to do that too. So we're going to scroll down and go to battery. Here we have show battery percentage option. If it's gray, then that means it's disabled. If it's blue, then that means it's enabled, and we can clearly see our battery percentage right here. So what you guys want to do next is go over to the Aurora Store right here. And after you go into the Aurora Store, what you guys want to do is download the Battery Widget Reborn app. So this is by Thomas Tubalek. This app is very good. I've been using it for quite some time, and so far I've had no issues with it. So we're going to go over and type in Battery Widget. And now we got the Reborn right here. Let's click it. Let's go to the Battery Widget Reborn. Make sure to download the free app, because as you guys can see here, you got the Pro version. And this is almost $5, but you don't need to pay for it. As you guys can see here, we can click install, and now we can click open. Now we want to go over and click consent. We're going to start manually, and if we want to add a widget, we click here. Now we can choose a widget that we want to add, so I'll choose the battery chart for an example, and now this is how it looks like. As you guys can see, we got our battery right here. Now, as you guys can see here, if we wanted to add this widget, we can also add it. Let's click here, and now we got our widget. So this is how it looks like. After that, if the issue is still not fixed, then what you guys want to do is go over to the authorized device service support, because you need to tell them about the issue, and it's probably a not working battery sensor. So that's pretty much it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.